Hello everyone, are you ready? Let's start the show. Wow, today is another great value day. Come with us on a journey to the 100 years into the future. Beyond the World of Superman, Episode 2.3 Contents. Contents Author Rainbow's official contact information is as follows. Opening reading, Rainbow Prophecy 21st Century Series A. Rainbow, the Book of Hope, Cosmic Wisdom, and the Mystery of Life. Why Rainbow wrote this book. All of Rainbow's wishes, joy, prophecies. Rainbow on why night is the best time for reading. Rainbow invites global readers to obtain answers to infinite treasures. Rainbow Multilingual Edition notes to global readers. Main text, a 1. Cosmology of universal full-scope computation. A 2. Axioms and laws of the universe. Discovery is infinite, concealment is eternal. A 3. Unification of the three perspectives of cosmic reality, empirical verification, and true knowledge. A 4. Outline of the future cosmology of human civilization. A 5. Future human civilization becomes creators and makers of multi-level hierarchical subuniverses. A 6. The ultimate computational cosmology of universal total computation and the necessity of higher mathematics. A 7. Why human civilization must explore the universe. B1. Vira Prajna Paramita Fire Seed. B2. Prajna and Dependent Conditions. C1. Realizing Sea Surface and Seabed World Cities for Human Civilization in the 21st Century. C2. Realizing Sleep Capsules, Hibernation Capsules, and Medical Capsules for Human Civilization in the 21st Century. D1. In the 21st century, humanity will enter a new era of human-machine integration, the AOC superhuman era. D2. Realizing in the 21st century the complete answer by which individual humans can attain agelessness and immortality. D3. Realizing human cloning technology in the 21st century. E1. Achieving the construction of space elevators and space world cities by human civilization in the 21st century. E2. The veil of cognition of human civilization, the ultimate ordeal and the luminous choice. H1. To change oneself is to change the universe. I1. Realizing the rainbow superhuman system in the 21st century. I2. Realizing the rainbow superhuman holographic avatar in the 21st century. K1. Realizing unlimited clean energy for human civilization in the 21st century. N1. An analysis of why 1 plus 1 need not equal 2, the essence of mathematics and its future possibilities. Rainbow Global Aspirations, Rainbow Global 100 Unfinished To-Do Tasks. Rainbow an invitation letter to all writers in all countries worldwide. A collaboration invitation issued by Rainbow to global media and institutions. Rainbow the Lighthouse Heroes of Human Civilization in My Heart. Rainbow a must-read invitation to all teachers and students of all schools worldwide. Copyright and intellectual property protection statement. Thank you. Please see the next episode for more shocking and exciting content. Oh, this episode has ended.